treatment. Medical therapeutics, auxiliary modes, and lifestyle changes. All osteoarthritis don't need TKR. That's what I'm trying to say.
So first would be the proprioception correction.
And strength training and inflammation जो है उसको इलाज करो. This is what we would use. Now, cartilage supplementation controversial. So let's talk proper science. Proper science with all these meta-analysis. Meta-analysis is talking about cartilage supplements have zero value. The American Association of Orthopedic Surgeons, AAOS, who keeps on coming out with guidelines every few years, says that this is hogwash. Now, if you go into the details of that, then the problem there is that very few studies have been fully supported by proper grants, and hence the material versus the surgical side is lesser. So if you go into those details, then there are people who talk about this particular brace, that particular brace. No one is interested in putting money in that brace because that's not a long-term solution. So the grade of evidence is 3 because there are not relevant such studies done. It ends there and says, hence AAOS does not think that it is enough to be treatment protocol. That's how it is.
So what about intra-articular injections?
Intra-articular injections are 2 types. One is viscosupplementation, which is hyaluronic acid, and second is steroid. Both are being used extensively. Hyaluronic acid pehle used to be the molecule used to be such that we had to give it every week for 5 weeks in a row. Now there are molecules which are available which you have to give only 1 shot. Proponents say superb. Opponents say it gives symptomatic relief for not more than 6 months. Side effects, possibility of acute inflammatory reaction to the hyaluronic acid versus no relief at all. So these are the pros and cons. Those who get better, they swear by it and say how many injection लिया तब से अच्छा है, 6 साल बाद वापस हुआ, वापस एक इंजेक्शन ले लूंगा, मेरे को ये सब कसरत नहीं करना है.
6 साल के 6 महीने?
नहीं, 6 महीने भी 6 साल भी. See, the other thing is also this, the same problem. No one goes into the details of the relevance of that whole of the picture. That patient may have had only an enthesopathy, which was the cause of his pain. He received an intra-articular injection. The enthesopathy settled. You feel the injection has done it, no? I mean, we don't know. So PRP, stem cell therapy for osteoarthritis knee is still controversial. Long-term results have not been shown, and some of the results have shown intra-articular fibrosis. So sorry, boss. Intra-articular steroid, non-specific Raman effect because it's an anti-inflammatory. अंदर जाता है, anti-inflammatory action करता है. You say, wow, super. But long-term studies have shown that weight-bearing joints receiving intra-articular steroids show the rate of degeneration faster. CRP for me becomes relevant in a possibility where there is infection. I've proved infection and now the CRP is going down, then I know infection is getting controlled. Surgery is multiple possibilities. All these are possible surgical interventions in osteoarthritis.